Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of parts of a circle. Let's dive into it. The circle shown has a circumference of 120 pi. The length of minor arc AB is x pi. What is the value of x? So here is x pi, and this is given as 30 degree. So we need to consider that this is 30 degree. The whole circle is 360 degrees. So which means that this arc will be off of the whole circumference. What's the proportion for that? Is 30 over 360. So this is the proportion of this much of arc is gonna be consist of the whole circumference. So the whole circumference is given as 120 pi, and the length of the arc was x pi. So if you will just do the simplifications, 3 divided by 36 is, 36 divided by 6 is 12. So 1 over 12 is here, is equals to, these pi's cancel each other out, x over 120. So to get the value of x, we will do cross multiplication, and 12 times x, 12x, and 1 times 120, 120. And to get the x by itself, we will divide both sides by 12. So x will be 10 for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. See you next time. Bye-bye.